In this video, we will discuss the model paper number 4. Question number 1. The order in which the power of L is increasing will be the order that the power of L is increasing. The given quantities is strain, the power is L0 because no dimensions or no units for strain. Then pressure, the dimensions will be M L minus 1 T minus 2. Here the power will be 0. Here the power of L will be minus 1. Then force ML is ML T minus 2. Here the power will be 1 and the power M L squared T minus 3. Then power will be 2. Then the order will be minus 1, 0, ascending order. Increasing will be minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Then quantities will be pressure, strain, then force and power. The answer will be answer number 3. Question number 2. The figure shows a micrometer screw gauge with a 0 error. If there's no 0 error, then the 0 mark of the main scale is coincide with the horizontal line of the main scale. Then no 0 error. If when the spindle and the anvil is in contact, the 0 mark is above the horizontal line of the main scale, then there will be a negative 0 error. If the circular scale 0 is below the horizontal line of the main scale, then the 0 error will be positive. Here negative 0 error will be negative 0 error equals total number of circular divisions minus coincided mark of the circular scale into least count. This will be the method of calculation of negative 0 error. දැන් මෙතන අපෙන් පැහැදිලි කරලා තියෙන්නේ negative 0 error එකක් නේ. ඒක නිසා අපි මම මෙතන කතා කරා positive 0 error එක හොයන්න normal calculation එක normal reading. It will be taken as normal reading. If there is positive 0 error, then the reading will be calculated in normal manner. හරි. එතකොට මෙතන ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙන්නේ negative 0 error එකක් නිසා අපි එතෙන්ට බේස් වෙනවා. හරි. එතකොට what? Then here it is shown that the total number of circular scale marks will be, divisions will be 50 divisions in circular scale, 50 divisions. Then the pitch will be equal to, pitch equals 0.5 millimeters. Then least count will be, least count equal pitch divided by total circular divisions. Pitch is 0.5 millimeters, then divided by 50, 0.01 millimeters. 0.01 millimeters. Then according to the figure, the negative zero error will be negative zero error equal 50 total 50 divisions in the circular scale minus the coincided mark will be 46 into least count. Least count is 0.01, here 0.04 millimeters. 0.04 millimeters. The reading, if the measured diameter is 2.53 millimeters, you know that if the zero error is negative, then the zero correction will be positive. Zero correction will be positive. The error should be added. Error should be added to the current reading. This is here the current reading will be current reading equals 2.53 millimeters. Then corrected reading will be 2.53 plus 0.04 millimeters, then 2.57 millimeters. This will be the answer. Answer number 4. 3. A person floating in the water while keeping 1/3 of its body above the water level. If the normal density of the person is 0.98, it is given as 0.98, then ask about the density of water. Okay, if we take the volume of the man equal V. Then weight equal V into density of man into G. Immersed volume will be 1/3 of his volume is above the water level, then 2/3 of volume is immersed. Upthrust on the man, equal immersed volume 2/3 V, density of water is D. Assume that the density of water is D, then 2/3 of V into D into liquid density into G. This will be the upthrust. Because of floating, the weight equal upthrust. Weight V into 0.98 into G equal upthrust equal 2/3 V into D into G. If we resolve this, D equal 1.47 grams per centimeter cube. Then answer number 2. Fourth one, an electric racer moves in a simple harmonic motion in a 2 mm distance. Racer is moving in a simple harmonic motion in a distance 2 millimeters. Total distance will be 2 millimeters. Then the amplitude will be 1 millimeter. total distance will be 2 millimeters, then amplitude will be 1 millimeter. In between 2 millimeters, no, the motion is occurred in between 2 millimeters. Total මුළු දුර 2 millimeters, then the amplitude will be half of the total distance. Okay, then amplitude equal 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters. You know that omega equal 2 pi f, omega equal 2 pi f, 2 into pi equals 3.14 into 100, then 6.28 into 10 to the power 2 radius minus 1, radius minus 1. Here ask the maximum speed of the blade, maximum speed, then Vmax equal according to the equation V equals R omega, the Vmax will be amplitude A omega. This will be a theoretical equation. Vmax equal A omega. Then Vmax equal amplitude equal 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Then omega equal 6.28 into 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power 2. Then 0.628 meters per second. Answer number is 4. Answer number is 2. Fifth one. A sphere that has mass 2m. That has a mass 2m. Here 2m sphere is moving the velocity v and collides with another sphere mass m and initially at rest. After collision, the two spheres are stick together, and then total mass will be 3m and the final velocity will be u. Final velocity will be u. If the collision is after the two spheres are stick together after the collision, then the collision will be inelastic. For inelastic collision, the momentum conservation can be applied. If the collision is elastic or non-elastic, the momentum conservation can be applied. Then, according to the momentum conservation, final momentum and initial momentum will be equal. Then 2m into initial momentum here, 2m into v equal 3m into u. Then u equals 2v over 3. This will be the final velocity. Here they are asking about the fractional kinetic energy loss. Fractional kinetic energy loss. Fractional kinetic energy loss. Fractional loss in kinetic energy. Kinetic energy equal loss of kinetic energy divided by initial kinetic energy. Loss of kinetic energy means 2m v squared minus 3m u squared divided by initial kinetic energy half 2m v squared. Here half is cancelled, m cancelled, then half cancelled, m cancelled, 2v squared minus 3 2v over 3 squared divided by 2v squared. Here v squared also cancelled, then 2 minus 4 over 3 divided by 2 equal 2 over 3 divided by 2, 1 over 3. The fractional loss in kinetic energy will be 1 over 3. Then the answer will be the answer number 2.